Hey guys, it's Jaden from Tech for Days, and today we have a crazy unboxing here. Here we have the EC Technology 18,000 milliamp high capacity external battery. This thing is an absolute beast. It is only 12 millimeters thick or slim, however you look at it. It has dual USB ports, and it even has a leather design and material. It also has a built-in flashlight, as you guys can see here. Here, this is gonna be a micro USB, and then you have two USB ports. And on the back, we have some additional features. So right here it says powerful, and it charges your mobile devices repeatedly. Dominant, so matte material for non-slip purposes. You have a 12-month warranty, 100% satisfaction guaranteed from EC Technology. And then you have some warnings. This is a black version, and that's all you get on this packaging. The packaging is very nice, and it seems pretty heavy, and this thing is just going to be huge. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So we're going to start by sliding this open. If you guys haven't watched my other video, I did unbox and review their car charger, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're looking for a review on a good car charger. And so right here we have a pretty simple box, and we just pull up on this tab, and there we go. And it's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be much larger, but that's a good thing that it's smaller, because I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. Now right off the bat, it feels really nice. It has a pleather material. It actually does feel leathery, and it's like an alligator skin design. It looks really nice. We have a little EC Technology branding. It's like a pebble stone design. It looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can actually see how cool this looks. It has like a diamond pattern, has like dinosaur tracks. It's really cool, and it looks really nice. Now right here we have some additional branding and some warnings, and then we have our little power button, and we have a bright flashlight right there. It's very cool. And then right here we have two USB ports, which I need to find out which they're rated at, so we will find that out. Then we have a micro USB, and this is the power. So I believe this is also what that light does right there. And probably if we hold it, it'll probably stay on, or double tap it. And then we have the full blast. So this actually tells us how much power we have left, and there's 3 bars right there. It looks like there's 3 little LEDs, so I believe we have 75% power, but we will look into that. And then inside we have a nice little user manual. It does say external battery pack, and if we open this up, it just tells us some additional specifications. So it is 18,000 milliamps, and we have 2 USB ports, as I have said, and it's an aluminum body actually. So under the material, that is what it is. So that's pretty awesome there. And then this is how you would charge it. Now it says 1 light is 25%, 2 lights is 25 to 50, 3 lights is 50 to 75, and 4 lights is 75 to 100. So that's a very awesome. It comes pre-charged with 75%, which is pretty awesome right there. So you can start using it right away. Then you have some notes, some contact us and stuff. And it's just really cool that it actually comes with 12-month warranty. And of course you have your micro USB charging cable, but it doesn't include the AC adapter, so you do have to provide your own AC adapter to charge this thing. And of course, since it is 18,000 milliamps, it's going to take a while to charge this thing. So beware of that. This will last you a long time, so you should only have to charge it like probably once a month, depending on how much you use it. So we are going to do a 5-minute charge test on this ginormous thing. So guys, right here we have our original Apple cable and my iPhone 5S. And then I actually found out what the ratings for the USB and the input are. So each USB is actually 1 amp, and then this one is 2.1 amps. And then the input is 5 volts or 1.2 amps, but they're 5 volts all around, but the input takes 1.2 amps, which is not too bad. It would be nice if it took 2.1 amps so you can charge it faster, but it looks really nice, and I really like how it looks. It's nicely spaced out, and you could probably even charge your laptop with this thing if you have the proper connections. This thing is just a beast, and it's really not that heavy. It's kind of like a pocketbook for a girl, or like a purse or a wallet. It's pretty awesome. So the output 1 is right here. This is USB 1, so that's 1 amp, and then the USB 2 is 2.1 amps. So we'll plug my iPhone 5S into that one to see if we get a better charge, and then we will start the timer. So we'll set that up right now. The screen is going to be on full blast as always in all of my tests with batteries. And I will go to the timer, set it on 5 minutes, and then as soon as we actually plug this thing in, I will start the timer. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. Okay guys, so we are starting with 34%. The screen is on 100% capacity right there, and now we are going to press the power button, and then we will start the timer. So we should be receiving power right about now, and we start the timer, so I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so we finished with this 5-minute charge test, and right off the bat we have 38% battery, and we started with 34, so we got a 4% increase in 5 minutes with the screen on full blast. And this time I actually had tons of applications in the background refreshing, etc. So I'm really impressed with this battery, because I had, as you guys can see, I have tons of things open right now. Everything is literally open. So that was extremely impressive there. Imagine what you can actually get with the screen off, and without that many things actually running in the background, you can probably get a crazy amount of battery. Now that's super great, and I really like the amount of charge and the quality you get with this whole entire package. The charge quality, what you get in the contents of the box, that's just really awesome right there. And we still actually have, we do have 2 bars left, so maybe it was a little less than 75%, but that's still awesome that it comes pre-charged, so you can use it right off the bat. And it's not even warm yet, it's still very nice and feels very compact. I really love how slim it is. It's almost like a tablet. So that's pretty cool. It's really easy to fit in your book bag or whatever you want to do. I'm probably going to put it in my school bag or leave it in my locker so I can keep it with me and charge my devices. If I have any emergencies or anything, I can charge these devices as many times as I can. So guys, it's still charging, and it's actually at 40%, and it was only 1 minute more, so that was a 6-minute charge test. If we were to do 6 minutes, then that'd be a 6% increase. So that's just crazy of how good this battery is. And we are in the 2.1 amp, so it's charging my iPhone mighty quick. Imagine if you put airplane mode, if you close all the applications, you can probably get your iPhone fully charged in about an hour, to be quite honest with you. Now this thing is just super cool. I can't freaking express how thin it is. It's pretty light. I thought it was going to be a lot heavier than this. And you have subtle branding. It just looks really awesome. It's really unique. And the wow factor that this external battery gives compared to others is just the amount of design you have, the slimness of it, and the quality of the battery itself. Milliamps is not everything. It really isn't. It also depends on the quality of the battery. For example, the iPhone's battery is only 1500 milliamps on the iPhone 5S. And I can last pretty much the whole day with it, versus my Galaxy S3, which had like 2300 milliamps, and I could barely get through half the day with it. So it really depends on your software, depends on the quality of the battery, and this thing is just great. I really recommend this thing. I love it. I haven't had any issues with it. You can charge your tablet, whatever you want with it. And of course, do expect some long charging times when you're physically charging this thing, because it's 18,000 milliamps. So don't sweat over that. Don't worry if it charges for a long time. You do have 12-month warranty, and EC Technology will surely take care of you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.